Shytoshi Kusama issuing a major warning to the SHIB community here on Shibarium. We're going to dive into what he's talking about here in this video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Actually, I'm listening to the Huobi and SHIB AMA right now as we speak. I've got it on my phone right here. I just, muted it, obviously. Listening in there. Nothing groundbreaking over there. Huobi doing a nice job, though, just kind of learning about the ecosystem. There are a bunch of people in the space, so that's good. Growing the brand a little bit here. During these times as we go through the beta testnet phases. They've been talking a little bit about that over on the Twitter space AMA as well. But what's Shytoshi talking about right here? That's what we're going to dive into in this video. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. If it's your first time, welcome in. Glad to have you. Make sure you guys subscribe down there. And I'm here every single day for you, talking about SHIB, talking about everything crypto. So I'm here for you. Now, Shy issues a major warning, and he's talked about this briefly before, but he's really, really adamant about it this time. So the head of the SHIB development team, Shy, has made two major announcements on the official Shibarium channel on Telegram. So what exactly did he say? Well, here's what's going on. He issued a major warning, number one, a major warning for the SHIB community about Shibarium and the puppy net, and made an announcement about other upcoming matters as well. So here's what Shy had to say to the SHIB army. I'm going to drop myself out so we can cover this. Kusama interfered in a heated discussion related to the Shibarium testnet puppy net and tokens on it, leash and bone. He again warned the community of Shiba Inu that Shibarium is currently in beta test mode and they must not buy any tokens on it since, as he said earlier several times, all tokens on PuppyNet are not real. They are for testing purposes only. No real tokens are being burned so far, he added. Time out. Listen, everyone. This is the beta test, he says. That means don't buy tokens. No real tokens are burnt. Don't move your token to this PuppyNet, etc., etc. Got it? This is just a test. Earlier, you today reported that an admin in the Telegram group warned that neither stablecoin Shi nor Treat token have been deployed yet. Shy has also promised the SHIB army that he and his team on Telegram and other social media platforms will provide many updates as they are moving forward in many directions simultaneously. He added that he and the developers are excited to advance with Shibarium and other projects as the SHIB army. As reported by you today, earlier this week, one of the admins answered multiple questions when Shibarium and when updates. The nickname of the admin on Telegram is Someone Smart. He told the SHIB army very soon there will be news about the Shibarium mainnet release. He also stated that there are multiple things to come. However, he cannot reveal the details now, so the SHIB army should wait for announcements from the developers and Shytoshi. We did hear some recent updates related to a cold wallet. I covered that here on the channel. A major developer of SHIB and Shibarium Unification Foundation also has announced two major updates for PuppyNet. There are two tools, Verified Open Randomness, or VOR, and Oracle of Oracles. The first one will be utilized to ensure true randomness in various DeFi applications, on-chain gaming, lottery, etc. And the Oracle of Oracles will make sure Shibarium dApps on it are protected against price hacks and ensure the best price levels for investment dApps. So that is what Shytoshi is saying right now. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.